for the sake of me, this is how we dagger fish. I go dagger around. I go kill them. Yeah, zoom into this fish. Go zoom out. Oh. And I've not even added this this bad guy. Zoom into this bad guy. Zoom into this bad guy. Yeah, zoom out. Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Tasty, but guess what? Every strand of my hair is standing right now. So peppery. Okay, my name is Ifeanyi and you can call me fPonmo. You are welcome to another special edition of fPonmo on the Run across the globe. And today I'm going to be treating you with a lot of things. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, but you gotta follow me because we are here in Aggie's restaurant. I say restaurant. We are going to be training you with that West African cuisine. And today we're not talking about Nigerian food though. Nope. Ghana, nope. Cameroon, yes. Or Cameroonian food is one of the best in the world. Talk about Burkina Faso, talk about Mali, Niger. Every country in Africa, we have something in common. And that's the spiciness that comes with our food, the taste, and every other thing that comes with it. Very medicinal, very healthy. Sometimes we might have too many oil, but it's okay. It is what it is. I shall be tasting all kind of food. Check it. Person. Whoop it. Eh? I'm thinking of where to start from because this is confusing. So this is called this is spinach. Spinach what name do they call it? Perfait spinach. It's called perfait spinach. We have it with a side of chicken. You see, one thing with West African food is this: spicy. And it's very tasty. This tastes exactly like what we eat in Nigeria. Meanwhile, this is a Cameroonian food, well seasoned and grilled in a Cameroonian way. I don't know how they do this. In fact, we didn't have the opportunity to go in there and see how they do it, but this is good. And I have a sauce here. This sauce is wonderful. So I have a story. My second week in Dallas, when I moved into Dallas, my second week was when I tasted this. And shout out to the girl that introduced me to this food. Since that day, my life has not remained the same again. I come here often. So yeah, this is lovely. Then we have the plantain. These are giant plantain. Giant plantain. Let's go, okay? Anyway, plantain is not really my thing, but this one, well made, fried plantain. There's nothing else like that, you know. Plantain with this. Meanwhile, for the sake of me, this is how we dagger fish. I go dagger around. I go kill them. Yeah, zoom into this fish. Go zoom out. I go. Woo. So healthy, you know. I don't even know how to say it. Well seasoned, lovely fish. You know, if you finish a whole of this fish with plantain and this vegetable, I don't think you need any other food for the day. We have some out quick. So what else can I ask for? And I've not even added this this bad guy. Zoom into this bad guy. Zoom into this bad guy. Zoom out. So we're gonna enjoy it so well. And that's it. Ooh. Ah. Tasty, but guess what? Every strand of my hair is standing right now. So peppery. Hey, Jesus. And I'm actually sweating. See. Yeah, this is what happens. Yeah, so we have tasted it, and that's it.
There's no way you're not gonna drink water.
Yeah, that's what's up. I just dismantled this. This is lovely. I love it. Even though it's spicy, from how I talk, you're gonna know. But at the same time,
spicy. See how I was already.
yeah, but it's good. Yeah. So this is part of this is part of the experience. This is part of the experience. See, you will love it, but at the same time it's spicy. Okay, my people. Yeah. Lovely. Cut it. And to go. So we have to cut this series because of the pepper. So Cameroon pepper no be play. You can't play with Cameroon pepper. Then give it to you, they no burn you well. You go sorrow. Eh? I'm gonna pass on it for now. I'll only take it maybe after no. I'm just gonna leave it. Let's go with our vegetable and some plantain. You have to be careful with the bones. Oops. You see, I'm born to eat. Don't mind me, don't mind how I look. Nah, it doesn't matter. I know where I born it. We are always eating and burning it out. That's what's up. Ah. Yeah.